Hello and welcome to this episode of Microchips, and on the bench today we have a President Herbert. I've never seen one of these radios before. It does look quite nice. I believe it's just mid-band AM and FM. So let's see what's wrong with it and see if we can fix it. But before we start, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, join Facebook, join Patreon, buy me a coffee, have a look at my website, and let's get started. So, President Herbert. So we've got power going to it. We switch it on, nothing happens. Completely stone cold dead. Okay, that should be easy to try and fix. Anyway, I've got it on my current limited power supply, and when we switch it on, we're not drawing the full 3 amps, but we're drawing 1.5 amps, which says to me that we have a internal short somewhere. So I've got the thermal camera, and we're having a look for what is drawing this 1.5 amps, and we can see that this transistor cum regulator underneath this heatsink is glowing quite nicely when we switch it on. So is that our problem? Could that be short circuit, or could that just be heating up because it's under a short circuit load? Just trying to get a better view of that component. I'm not sure what that component is yet. Is it a transistor? Is it a regulator? But whatever it is, it's getting hot pretty quickly. So let's find out what it is. So there's the component in question, and sure enough we have a short to negative on 2 terminals. So could this component be short? Or could it be a regulator? So there it is, it's a 7808 regulator. So one of the pins will read short, as it's a negative. So I've unsoldered the pin of the regulator, and we've still got a short circuit on the circuit board, but not a short circuit on the pins of the regulator. So we have a short somewhere. So I've started disconnecting what I can see around the regulator to see whether I can find out where it's drifting off to, and it seems to be a short circuit on that line. Now, unfortunately I didn't catch this on camera, but I was looking on the thermal imaging, and this capacitor wasn't showing really hot, but it was hotter than the rest. Anyway, I took it out just out of interest, and sure enough, there we go, dead short. A nice 1000 mic that is now a white link. So retesting the component again, and sure enough the short has cleared. I've reconnected all my things, I've desoldered, and there we go. The radio switch is on with a really nice backlight on the controls. Yes, really nice radio. Anyway, let's have a look on the schematic. So we have our main feed. There is our capacitor there, C107, and we follow it along on the schematic diagram, along lots of other parts that are fed by the 8 volt. But we follow it up, and we follow it across all the way to the 8 volt regulator. So let's have a quick check of the receiver. The receiver's nice and sensitive. I've already checked the transmit, there's nothing wrong with that. So yeah, a nice quick repair. I'll just check the top of mid-band. 27405. Sure enough, we are sensitive enough. Well within specification, so there's no problem. Anyway, we'll box it up and we'll get it back off to the customer. So there we have it, a President Herbert. Never seen one of these before. Definitely a unique looking radio. And yeah, nice easy fix. And thanks to the thermal imaging multimeter from Zoe, we were able to find this fault nice and quickly. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this short video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, join Facebook, join Patreon, buy me a coffee, have a look on my website microchips.net. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.